At Logis-Tech-Tokyo 2024, held from September 10th to 13th, YUSHIN showcased a system in which palletizing robots collaborate to streamline unloading and loading operations. In this demonstration, we conducted a transshipment operation between pallets of varying sizes. The exhibit was based on the assumption that the PA-20, which performs the initial depalletizing operation, is equipped with a 3D recognition camera and unloads from the pallet from which it was depalletized. The unloaded cartons are then palletized onto standard pallets by the PA-50LC in the subsequent process. In recent years, there has been a push in Japan to improve logistics efficiency through increased pallet utilization and standardization of pallet sizes. This demonstration showcases one of YUSHIN's solutions to meet the demand for transshipment from pallets used in the previous process to standard pallets. For detailed specifications and conditions of the transshipment system, please refer to the overview column.